Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. So today we're making lemon pepper jerk chicken. Extremely crispy, extremely tasty. If you guys would like to see it, keep on watching. Before you watch this video, I'm asking you to give it a thumbs up because I know you will enjoy it. Okay, give it a thumbs up for me. Also, subscribe if you are new. Without further ado, let me just jump right into it. Okay guys, here's my chicken. I'm using a small young chicken. Now I'm sharpening my knife so I can start cutting it. Now y'all know how I clean my chicken with lime, vinegar, and salt, so I'm going to skip that step and just jump right into seasoning. All right, for the seasoning, we're using this traditional jerk seasoning. It's spicy, by the way. You can choose the regular one if you want. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of that, and for the lemon pepper, we're using 2 tablespoons. And also I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. We're going to give that a quick mix just like so, and we're going to jump right into seasoning. I cut my chicken and now it's nice and clean, so let's just add the seasoning on there. Now my chicken always look funny. Now this is the real thing. This ain't no fake chicken. I clean and cut this chicken, honey. So if it looks a little funny to y'all, don't laugh at me. So as long as it tastes good, right? Now we're going to add the seasoning all over. For the skin, I added a little bit of the olive oil on there just so the seasoning can stick on there. Then we're going to add all the seasoning, especially the wings, the best part of the chicken. And also once I'm done adding all the seasoning, I went back and add some adobo seasoning and as well as some complete seasoning, about a tablespoon of each, in salt as well. Here it is, I'm adding the seasoning on there as well. Here I have my baking rack because you don't want the chicken to get soggy into the chicken water, so you want to add it to a rack. Then we're going to tuck in those wings so they don't get burned. Then we're ready to bake it. And here I'm adding a little bit more seasoning. Like I told you guys, my chicken looked nice and well seasoned. We're going to bake it on 420 for 40 minutes covered, okay? 40 minutes covered. Now the way I covered my chicken, I don't let the foil touch the chicken because I didn't want the seasoning to stuck on the foil. I make a little roof, kind of sorta, then bake it for 40 minutes on 450, then uncovered for 10 minutes. Once it is done, this is what you have, guys. I didn't use the boiler, just the regular oven heat. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely gorgeous, just beautiful. Look at that crispy skin on the chicken, and let me tell you, this chicken was so juicy. Oh my gosh, give this a try. Who would have thought? Lemon pepper jerk chicken. Ooh, look at that juice, it's dripping. Let me know down below what you guys think about this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe if you know. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.